So in the previous video, I showed you exactly everything that you need to know about Deriv.com and Binary.com. So it's basically the same broker, it's two in one, but Binary.com is what they used to call it, and now they're rebranding to Deriv.com, right? So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you how to actually get your volatility 75 and other indexes that you can so that you can actually have it on TradingView and then be able to analyze your markets on the TradingView platform, because as we all know, TradingView is one of the biggest platforms most traders make use of to analyze the markets, and then you enter your trades on either MT5 or MT4. But in this case of Binary.com or Deriv.com, you only have MT5, right? You only have MetaTrader 5. So and then the online trading on the web, right? You can also use the MT5 web platform, right? So anyways, what you're going to be doing through this video, I'm just going to be showing you how you get your MT5 and everything, so how you get your TradingView and how you can basically get started, right, to analyze the markets on TradingView with all the tools that we all know and love to use, right? So before we get straight into that, I would really appreciate if you can find that red button down below and just click on it to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications by clicking on that bell so that you don't miss out on our next videos. But anyways, getting back to this, so basically, if as you can see right now, this is on Deriv.com. So if you just recently joined Binary.com, or you probably basically are going straight to Deriv.com, so they're probably not taking you back to Binary anymore, as they have rebranded to this is where they're putting most of their focus on. So you're probably using on Deriv.com. So when you come here, you basically I haven't seen the option to actually go and be able to access TradingView from this platform. So what I want to do is to show you that if you're still using on the Binary.com platform, this is where you get your MT5, your TradingView, right? So you under resources, once you log in under resources, you just click on TradingView and then you'll be able to go to that platform, right? But as you can see in the corner there, you actually see the platform, the link to the platform itself. So as you can see there, it says TradingView.binary.com. so that's actually the link that you want to get to. So that is the link where you'll be able to access TradingView from for you to be able to view your Vix75 and all those other indices, synthetic indices on the TradingView platform, right? So basically that's the link that you're going to be making use of for those who are on Deriv.com and you cannot access Binary.com for some reason. But basically it's the same platform. You should be able to log in on both sides with the same login details, right? So anyways, the link is down below. If you haven't get started up with Deriv.com or you don't know about Binary.com, the link is down below. You can create your account. It's for free, obviously. You just have to fund your account and then start trading. And as I mentioned in the previous video, there's no commissions on this one, so it's a good broker. There's fast withdrawals, 24 hours. You get your money in your account, right? So this is a great broker to make use of. And other things that you may want to know about, I'm going to link up in this video that you're going to see somewhere over here. I'm going to link up a video that I just showed you everything that you need to know about Deriv.com and Binary.com, right? So you can go check that out. But as I say, this is the link that we are going to be using, right? So TradingView.binary.com. so it will take you to this page, which will look like this, right? So R25 is basically our Vix25, right? R25 is Vix25. So if you want to view Vix75, you just basically have to change that to a 7, and then you'll be able to see volatility 75 index. So this is the volatility index 75, and basically here, as you can see, we are on the daily time frame, so we can change the time frames. These are the time frames that are available for us, as you can see, all the way from 1 minute to 1 day, right? So most profitable traders obviously use what we call the top-down analysis, so meaning that you don't just trade using one time frame, but you actually make use of all these time frames, right? So mostly from the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 15 minutes for good entries, and maybe sometimes 5 minutes, the 5 minute time frame as well for those killer entries. You know, there's sniper entries where you get those really good entry points. That's how you do it, right? So you analyze from one time frame to another, and then you get your perfect entry. So this is basically where you find your time frames, if you've heard of that top-down analysis, and this is why we make use of TradingView, because as you can see, the charts are more clearer compared to when you're looking at something like as you can see right here, this is on MetaTrader 5 on your phone, I mean on your PC, you can also get MetaTrader 5 on your phone, right? So mostly if you have actually on the phone and you want somewhere to actually you can also get TradingView on your phone. It will be a bit better than how MetaTrader 5 looks like on the phone, right? So that's why I'm showing you how to access this and how you can be able to make use of it, right? So this is basically how it looks like, and in the next video I'm going to be showing you how to set up everything on MetaTrader 5 using when you get started, right? So how to create your synthetic account and then be able to log in on MetaTrader 5 and then be able to open your trades, right? So anyways, going back to, as you can see right here, you'll be able to analyze your markets here and all these tools. Look at all these tools that are available to you right now for you to use. And basically I think this one is actually you are getting the premium type of TradingView. It's not compared to the TradingView, the normal one, where if you don't sign up you get those ads and all those annoying things, and you have limited things to add to your chart. So I think that's also a bonus on this. So that means that you can actually analyze with peace of mind. You can make use of unlimited indicators and all that stuff. So it's really a good thing to make use of. So obviously for those who are not used to candlestick patterns, you can also change your patterns to maybe the bars or the line. I know it's either the line or the bars or the candles, right, that are mostly available to you. And as you can see here, you actually have a lot more than just those three, but basically you can make use of whatever chart pattern that the chart graphics interpretation that you are used to, right? So if you're used to the line, you can just go over there and then you change it to the line, right? So it's basically simple and straightforward. But if you got any questions, you can always leave a comment down below and I can try my best to help you out to see what you need, right? So most of the things that we use here, we use the MA, the moving averages. So you can see they're all here. You can just put your indicators over there. So if you want to change the settings for the MA for the moving average, you can see it is put over there. When you add any indicator, you actually be able to see it on the list over there, right? So you just go to it. You can either hide it, or you can close it, delete it, or you can change the settings, right? So this is where you'll be able to change your settings. And I mean, for you to use an MA, usually you use the 21 MA for to use it as some sort of a support and resistance level on the market. So that's how you can set up to according to your strategy. According to your strategy, you can set up it to meet your strategy, right? And you can also change this to whatever that strategy of yours says you should set it to, and then you can obviously have it over there looking like that. So yeah, that's basically the basics of that. Indicators and everything. You can also even have the lower screen. So if you have the RSI, for example, the relative strength index, you can have the bottom screen over there, and then over there you can also add your own indicators there, right? So you can also add indicators into this screen over there. So that is just how you deal with these indicators and set up your chart and everything. And then you can even save your screen, right? So you can even save your screen and then come back to it anytime that you want, so that you don't have to recreate the whole screen that you're using, right, on TradingView to master your analysis and everything. So this is how you get access to TradingView. This is how you get access to TradingView when you want to view when you want to analyze Vix75, Vix100 and all that stuff, all those synthetic indices that you see on MetaTrader, right? So what exactly can you actually analyze on this TradingView? So for you to be able to see what else is available, you can just come here, delete that, and then you'll be able to see what else you can put, right, and analyze. So for Forex, you basically can just go to Tradingview.com and then you'll be able to access this on the normal TradingView. But also here, as you can see, you can also analyze some Forex pairs and then stock indices. As you can see, we have some few stocks over there. We even have Nasdaq over there, US Tech Index, which is one of those indexes that a lot of people are trading, and I mean it's very profitable as well. I really enjoy trading this as well. So Vix75 and Nasdaq, those are the most two ones that I pay much attention to. Very lucrative markets where you can make the most money possible, right? So anyways, looking at synthetic indices, these are the only indices that you'll be able to trade, that you'll be able to view on TradingView, right? So you'll be able to view volatility, almost all of the volatility. I think they're all here. So the 75, the 100, the 100 index, the 25 index, everything, and then you have the bear market and the bull market. So basically you don't have your boom and crash over here, but once you are actually logged in over here, you can actually have everything, right? You have your boom and crash. You have basically just about anything that you need to trade, right? All the markets that you want to trade, they're basically here, right? So as you can see right here, this is the boom 1000 index. You got crash, you got all of them, they're here, right? You can even just right click over there and then you say show all. So when you click on show all, you basically have all your indices, but all the synthetic indices that you can trade on this platform. But as I said, in the next video, I'm going to be breaking down all of it so that I can show you everything that you need to know about the synthetic indices on MT5 and how to get started with that. So that was just about it for this video. If you got any questions, as I said, you can leave a comment down below, but you can also join our Telegram group. The link is down below in the description. Online Money Simplified, where I can answer you one-on-one. If you got any questions or you need help, you can straight DM me from there, and then that's where I put the most updates over there, right, and pay more attention, right? So anyways, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure that you hit that like, subscribe button, set notifications, and share the video. I really appreciate that. But with that being said, I will see you on the next one. Peace.